sparkles in the light. Tiny hands, they work their magic in a glass that feels so tragic. Bartenders small but dreams so wide, building joy with the ocean tide. Oh, the rumples flow like liquid gold. Bubbles rise, the night unfolds. Neon lights, they start to gleam. Welcome to the Mojito dream. Mojito breeze, take me away to a world where the night meets the day. Dancing under the stars so bright, laughter echoes in the night. Mojito breeze, sweet and free, a taste of summer, just you and me. Sipping slow, let the moment freeze, lost in the Mojito breeze. Shaking small, they melt like rain. Crushed ice glistens with the sweet refrain. Parrot flies and feathers so bold, whisper secret stories untold. Rooftop bars and city lights, spinning stars and endless nights. Every sip a new surprise, summer's magic in disguise. Oh, the rumples flow like liquid gold. Shovels rise, the night unfolds. Neon lights, they start to gleam. Welcome to the Mojito dream. Oh, Mojito breeze, take me away to a world where the night meets the day. Dancing under the stars so bright, laughter echoes in the night. Mojito breeze, sweet and free, a taste of summer, just you and me. Sipping slow, let the moment freeze, lost in a Mojito breeze. Havana nights, the streets alive, vintage cars, the culture thrives. Lanterns glow, the music plays, lost in a Mojito haze. Every drop a memory, a toast to life, to being free. Raise a glass, let's make a scene forever in this Mojito dream. Mojito breeze, take me away to a world where the night meets the day. Dancing under the stars so bright, laughter echoes in the night. Mojito breeze, sweet and free, a taste of summer, just you and me. Sipping slow, let the moment freeze, lost in a Mojito breeze. Empty glass, the night winds down, moonlit spills, the stars still crown. A single leaf, a lime's embrace, summer's love in every space. Mojito breeze, the memory stays, a fleeting dream in endless ways. Sip it slow, let the moment freeze, forever in a Mojito breeze.